So one more time, you're welcome. It's going to be a great time and good to have you all on board. Why is my business not growing? So I shared that was one of the things I answered in the first edition. Uh, and a lot of people are working hard, and I shared that you are busy, not strategic, could be your major challenge because there's a difference between you working in your business and you working on your business. And an average business person do not know what they should be doing. And I remember telling one of our coaching group members, I said, you need to go and define your position. You have to go and define your position, okay? As a CEO, thank God for AI. What is the job role of a CEO? You need to know the job role of a CEO. You need to know the job role of a founder. You need to know the job role of the boss, somebody who is in the business. You need to know your job role. If you don't know your job role, you're going to be so busy with operation, and at the end, you'll not be able to pay salary. But the way the framework is built from onset is that you come outside of the business and you begin to take control of the business. So it allows you to move from being an entrepreneur to being a manager, being a starter, to being a manager. And once you become a manager, that means that you almost know everything, but you are not doing everything. Then that's where you begin to know that as a business owner, you need to go network, you need to go connect, you need to go do so many other things that will help you to get to where you're going. So that's very, very, very important. So weak marketing could cause it. No systems could cause it. All of that is available in the meeting, in the last meeting recording.